Hey guys, this is my first video 2019, and this is my first DVD unboxing. Take a little peek, and it is, oh yeah, the Planet Earth collection, Planet Earth, the original series, and the second one. Sadly, I don't have it. Also, we don't have this yet, so probably got that. So this is on DVD, yeah, and it's 8 disc set, and BC Earth DVD video also. There's a scan barcode. DVD video, there'll be digital. Anyways, I'm just gonna open this up when I want to, and now for a minute, take out this thing. This is still sealed. I should let it still be sealed, but I'm just not gonna make it sealed anymore. It's not sealed anymore. The baby's crying. Now I'm gonna have to quickly. Dang, it's not. No need help. No need help. Darn. Just hold on a minute. Okay, I got it. Okay. I do it with one hand. Now I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna turn off the camera. Actually, I'm gonna record still and see what the discs look like. And oh crap! It's pretty good. Planet Earth the original disc 1. Oh, disc 2. Disc 3, damn! And disc 4. And now for second one. It's still damn long! Planet Earth disc 5, disc 6. And Planet Earth 2. Disc 1, episodes 1 to 3. And episodes 4 to 6. DVD on. I do not know where. No, 2 hours? Damn, that's way too much. Here's the thing, I do not know where the bonus features are on. I'm just gonna let's read the discs again. Let's just go back and see. Oh, I don't know what the special features are. Oh, I feel like they're already on the discs. So, anyways, guys, hope you guys have a great day. And please make this video because I don't have any much subscribers or any subscribers to me. See you later, and bye. Before I actually upload this, I'm gonna have to give you guys a message. Sadly, I don't have a lot of DVDs in my collection, but I started like a couple years ago. I have these boxes are full of those things, that tapes, VHS tapes right there. But I feel like I should get some help. No. I feel like, okay, anyways, instead I'm just gonna upload this to YouTube, and hopefully nothing bad can happen. Bye.